Infinity?
It's difficult to reach.
An endless road which never stops.
I think infinity is something that is not reachable. It doesn't have an end.
Infinity was the inspiration for our project, the Assistive Technology Challenge.
The goal of the Assistive Technology Challenge is to design a device with and for a disabled person.
Who we are, let us introduce ourselves.
I'm Lucas, I'm studying medical technology and I'm responsible for the documentation and the sponsoring contact.
I'm Ladina, I study medical technology and I did the software and keep track of the financial situation.
My name is Matthias, I study mechanical engineering and I am the mechanical lead on the project.
I'm Kenny, I'm studying mechanical engineering. I had the electrical lead and produced the video.
My name is Sebastian and I'm the challenger. I'm a professor at the University of Applied Science in Bern. I'm quadriplegic, Asia B or C, depends on the people who are consulting. That means I can feel my legs a little bit, but I cannot control them.
The goal of the Assistive Technology Challenge is to design a device with and for a disabled person. To understand what Sebastian really wants, we met him in his lab in Biel. He wants a walker to take part in a Wings for Life road run and to break his previous record of 300 meters. He showed us his previous prototypes and the limits and the advantages of it.
The thing is to have something to help me to use 100% of what I can do today.
With the natural movement pattern in mind, we made our way back to Zurich and brainstormed for some ideas. We then narrowed our focus to 2 final designs, which we translated into the working prototypes.
As a first idea, we want to implement 2 more wheels to his device, which he could break. So if you would push on the back of the device, it would stop and it would make it easier for him to walk with it. And we did a first testing in Biel with Sebastian and he was quite happy because the device is much easier to stop and go forward.
The other idea is the Infinity handrail. It works like infinitely long parallel bars. It is motorized with the device going in the forward direction and the handrail going in the backward direction. To evaluate the prototype, we built a system which uses 2 ropes and works by manual placement of the grips.
With those 2 prototypes, we faced a challenge to decide in which direction to go. So should we go for the more complex one or should we go with the easy solution with the brakes? It's called Assistive Technology Challenge, so we decided to go for the infinite handrail.
Since we were a little bit above our budget, we searched for sponsors. Then it was possible to start the project. We first did a 3D model, assembled the frame, tested the electronics, printed our handlebars and programmed the Arduino. And finally, we had our Infinity handrail.
In the last week, we had several issues like delayed deliveries, handrail design was too tight, then we had 2 fried Arduinos, electrical issues, and a ride drift of the device.
But we managed the problems, and here it is.
The Infinity handrail works by having some grips which are moving backwards and the device moving forwards. This movement cancels the motion relative to the ground. So it behaves like an infinitely long parallel bar. The system runs on a battery, which then powers the motor controllers and also the Arduino. The gearbox drives the handrail and also the wheels. At the front we have 2 emergency stops, which hold the system in case of an emergency.
We built a device for the Wings for Life World Run, a run dedicated to moving spinal cord injury to a cure. We arrived in Biel, took out the device out of our car and Sebastian tried it for the first time.
I think at the race day I was more nervous than Sebastian.
It was unsure how the outcome will be.
An hour before the race, the Infinity handrail didn't work at all. But we solved the problems.
The race started, we started the motors and the device went off.
During the race, we had a great teamwork.
And so I was concentrating myself a lot about doing as best as possible.
The device moved, Sebastian could walk with it and he made his 360 meters.
We could achieve a better result than he did last year.
Infinity is difficult to reach, but probably we got close to it.
I think actually it's not possible to reach infinity, but I think we did a really good job.
We reach infinity or get very, very close to it.
You reach an infinity dream. We have to dream that we can go better, that we can walk, or that we can go outside and we reach this goal. And that's very nice. And thank you for every one of you.